In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Roblox shirt in 2025. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Roblox on any web browser. Then we're going to be going to the top menu and selecting on the option that says Create. Then we're going to go ahead and go to the top menu once more, and we're going to select on the option that says Learn, and then go ahead and select on Overview. Then we're going to go ahead and press on this blue button that says Search Docs. Then all you want to do is go ahead and look up Roblox shirt like so, Roblox and then shirt. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure you select on the option that says classic clothing. Make sure that it does say classic clothing because that's really important. Then we're going to go ahead and just scroll down until we see these two images. What we need to do is we need to go ahead and save the image on the left. So we're going to be right clicking on it, and then we're going to go ahead and press on save image as, and then bam, we're just going to go ahead and just save it into our computer like so. And if you guys are wondering, this is basically like the template that we're going to be using in order to create Roblox shirts. So all of the different like sides right over here will fold together to create the Roblox shirt. But once you're done with that, we can go ahead and move on to the next step. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening up a brand new tab, and then we're going to go ahead and search for this website called Photopea. So just go ahead and type it up, and then go ahead and select on the official photopea.com website. It should look something like this. Then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be dragging and dropping the Roblox template that we did download previously. So you guys can go ahead and just drag and drop it from here if you guys are able to, or you can go ahead and upload it from your computer and then you search through your downloads. But either way, guys, you should end up with something that looks like this. We now have the template right over here. Okay, so I know things may look a little bit daunting at first, but please be patient because it's incredibly easy to understand. For starters, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and select on this box option right over here called the rectangle select. So just go ahead and press on it like so. And basically what we need to do is we need to select the entire like cutout of the Roblox shirt, and we need to delete it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So if you want to go ahead and zoom in, what you need to do is you need to press on Control and then the plus button like so, and then bam, there we go. We were able to zoom in. We're going to be taking our mouse and we're just going to be selecting on the template like so. So we're just going to go ahead and select one rectangle like here, and then we're going to go ahead and press on delete on our keyboard once we have an area selected. And just like that, it is now removed. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same with this part of the t-shirt right over here. So we're just going to go ahead and select on it, bam, like so. Then we're going to go ahead and just press on delete like so, or backspace, and then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing with this section, which I believe this right over here is actually the arms of the t-shirt. So make sure to go ahead and keep that in mind. So bam, we're going to go ahead and delete it once more, and I'll be right back with you guys. And if you guys want to zoom out at any point, all you need to do is press on Control and then the minus symbol like so, and then as you're able to tell, we now have everything cut out on this Roblox template. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to actually design our t-shirt. Now, here's where the fun part begins. So what I recommend you guys do is actually start off by putting some clothing fabric right over here. So essentially, we need to go ahead and fill in this area that we did delete before with our Roblox t-shirt design. So here's where you can get creative and stuff like that. So what I actually recommend you guys do is just open up another tab and then just look up clothing shirt texture like so. There's a bunch of free resources online where you can go ahead and just get some clothing textures like so, and I'm just going to go ahead and download this one. It does look pretty nice, so I'm just going to be right clicking on it, pressing on save image as, and then just go ahead and just save it there. Then we're going to go ahead and go back to Photopea, which is our photo editor, and then we're going to be going to this button over here towards the top left that says file. Then we're going to go ahead and press on open and place, and then we're going to go ahead and select on the file that we did just download. So it's this one right over here. Then you want to go ahead and press on open, and yep, here is the fabric of our t-shirt. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and make sure that this texture fills up the entire screen like so. So we're just going to go ahead and just drag it out. There you go. And once you're done with that, what you want to do is you want to go to the right side and you want to drag in the texture layer, which is the one that we have selected right now. And you want to move it below background, which is the one we started with. And then you should get something that looks like this. And guys, you don't actually need to download any type of like clothing texture. You could always just go ahead and look up a solid color, for example, like blue solid color like so. And then you can go ahead and save it and then just use this solid color as your t-shirt texture. It really is up to you. And guys, feel free to go ahead and add any type of logos, any type of designs you want, because this is where you could really express your creativity. And another really cool thing I recommend you guys do is open up another tab once more and then just look up Roblox shirt shading like so. Then go to images and select on some of these really cool like shading templates that we do have over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this one by right clicking on it, pressing on save image as, and then we're just going to go ahead and just press on save once more. Then we're going to go ahead and just press over here to where it says file, open and place. And then we're going to go ahead and locate the Roblox shirt that we did just download. All right, so here's the Roblox shading that we do have. So make sure to go ahead and just align it perfectly to the template. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it real quick. Bam, there you go. And you guys could actually edit this even more by going over here and underneath where it says layers, you can go ahead and just change that to whatever suits you best. So there's honestly a lot of customization. And over here where it says opacity, you guys could also go ahead and adjust it. So if you don't want it to be as intense, you can always turn it down. Or if you want it to be really intense, you can keep it at 100. So yeah, there's a lot of like customizable features over here. Like the possibilities are endless. The only limit is your imagination. All right, guys, I also decided to put a YouTube logo just to make this t-shirt look a little bit more interesting. But once you went ahead and finished your design, then all you want to do is you want to go to the top left again, and you want to select on file. But this time you want to go ahead and press on export as, and then select on the option that says PNG. From here, make sure to go ahead and give your Roblox shirt a name. So I'm just going to go ahead and just call it test like so. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and press on save. You don't need to adjust any of these other like options over here. You are good to go just by pressing on save. And then there you go. It is now saved onto our device. So now all you want to do from here is you want to open up Roblox once more. All right, so now that you're here back in Roblox, go to the top menu and select on create once more. But this time, make sure to go ahead and go to the left menu and select on creations. Then go ahead and select on avatar items right over here. And right over here, you want to make sure that classics is selected. And over here where it says filters, make sure you go ahead and select on classic shirts like so. And then from there, you guys can go ahead and actually upload the file. So this is the shirt that we just created right over here. It was called like test shirt, something like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop it right over here. And there you go. There it is. And from here, make sure to go ahead and give it a name and a description. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and press on this button that says upload. Keep in mind that in order to upload a t-shirt, you will need at least 10 Robux. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is go ahead and just press on it like so. And then go ahead and just press on upload again. All right, and then it's going to redirect us to this page over here. So all we need to do is we need to go over here to where it says avatar items, and then select on classics once more, and then select on classic t-shirts. And then as you're able to tell, yep, our t-shirt will appear right over here. And here's how things do look like. And you guys could also go ahead and sell your very own t-shirts, and then other Roblox players could download it, and then you could get Robux that way. So what you would need to do is you need to go ahead and select on the Roblox shirt right over here, and then select on this option that says on sale. And then from here, go ahead and select on a price. I think 69 Robux is definitely fair for this t-shirt. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and press on publish item. And there you go. It is now available for anyone to actually purchase. And then if we go back to Roblox once more, and then we just go ahead and select over here to where it says avatar, you will now notice that, yep, our t-shirt is now an option. And you guys can go ahead and select it at whatever point you want. And here's how it does look like. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.